Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and find reset option and tap on it. And here at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi settings, and under it we've got also the explanation, so we can reset mobile and Bluetooth at the same time. So let's simply tap on this option and tap on reset. You will have to confirm it with your screen lock, so just enter it. And as you can see, we just successfully reset all Wi-Fi and network settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.